Got my WR250R with the dirt wheels on. I took off the supermoto wheels because I wanted to bring it out to the SVRA out here in Prairie View to check out these low hills and whoops and maybe some jumps. So we'll see how this goes. There's a lot of mud here today. Looks like this Black Beauty is going to get a little muddy, a little dirty. Woo! Suspension's doing great out here though. Oh, this is kind of fun. Damn, these guys are flying. Looks like a nice hill. Alright, let's do this. Move, cow, move. Well, wiped out here. Coming down this single track. Fucking lost my balance. Fell into the brush here. This little thing is all. That's alright. Fell on the same shoulder that I slightly injured on that looping. But I'm okay. Glad I'm wearing armor. Let's get this out of here though. And she starts back up. Yep. Ah, fuck. Live and learn, I guess. I didn't have the cameras rolling. Bike's a mess. I'm a mess. I'm okay though. Gonna keep riding. Just gotta mentally take a note to take it easy when it comes to these kind of puddles. I didn't want to go all the way through it, so I went around it. Then I got caught in the mud here in the rut, and I spilled over, probably going about 10 or 15 miles an hour. But I landed on my shoulder again in the bush. Anyways, still got a lot of time to ride, so she looks like she's working okay. She's definitely going to need a wash. But here we go. I'm not sure yet if those low-level puddles you should be taking it hard, taking it slow. What's the best line? But that's why you practice. Shoulder's good. I guess that means it's somewhat recovered. Alright, let's go see some mud action. Oh wow, that is fucked up right there. Probably a way around it. Well, that happened. Well, that happened. Oh, and my license plate too. Accelerator stuck because of all that mud. Oh, really? Okay. She's not clean anymore. When I wiped out on the right side, mud got in my throttle tube and must have stuck, so well, that was kind of different. Started it up and it started just revving out. We should probably go back to the truck and see if everything's okay. Good times though. Yeah, she's nice and muddy right now. I got more riding to do today. You know what? I've been riding WR250Rs, I don't know, for about 1.5 years now. My legacy one mostly. This is my newer WR250R, and it's almost like I'm still getting used to it because the clutch is so different and suspension's different. The power is a little different too. My legacy WR250R has the Athena big bore kit. This one just has stock 250, but it is uncorked, both of them. One thing though about this, I mean, I went to the beta demo day last week. I'll tell you this, I was really impressed by the two-strokes. That was my first time on a two-stroke, and I tried, I think it was our 300 trainer, at least on a closed-circuit track, and that felt great. It felt like a mountain bike. It was fun as hell. The two-strokes were awesome. I mean, they probably do great in an environment like this on just muddy-ass trails. Woo! Fuck! Alright, here we go. Fuck. Alright, here we go. Do you think a two-stroke would have made it through there? I don't know. But this heavy-ass WR250R didn't. Alright, hold on. It's stuck in the mud. I'm gonna get a hernia. Oh, yep, there goes my back. Anyways, all right, we'll try and get this out of here. This is crazy or what? Let's take a look at what anyways, the beta two-strokes are awesome. And it's making my decision to trade in my other WR250R either for a plated like enduro type bike like a KTM or a Husky. Or, hey, it actually got cleaner. Is my camera rolling?